What's up, hungry people? John Juan here with Is There Any More? And today I got an extra special recipe that I want to share for my seafood lovers: live roasted lobsters. Now you can cook these bad boys in the oven, or you can go on the grill with it. You know how we do. But first, I'm going to show you guys how to make the butter seasoning that makes these guys extra buttery and rich. Look, they moving around in the pan because they know it's about to happen. So before they jump out, let's get cooking. First, we have adobo, Creole, garlic butter, Old Bay blackened, which does really good on the grill. Next, we're gonna add all of these seasonings plus 2 sticks of butter to a medium saucepan and let that simmer over a medium heat. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button and that you're subscribed so you never miss a tasty meal like this. Continuously stir, and once that sauce is melted down, apply it over the lobsters and really spread it around and get into all of the grooves. That way the seasoning is applied all over evenly. Cover with foil and prepare for the grill. We're gonna let this sit on the grill for about 25 to 30 minutes. After about a half hour of steam cooking in this aluminum foil, your lobsters should be ready to go. And with that, we have this rich, delicious, buttery lobster we're about to dive into. Feel free to add your own components to the butter sauce to make this rich on your own. But for now, we're about to dive in. Again, this is John Juan with Is There Any More? Let's eat. Yeah, get that mug out of there. Take a little bite of that. That thing came right out of the shell. You know how we do. Amazing.